Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, and today's date is very interesting. Today is the 5th of May 2020, which is 5th of the 5th. So today's date is a little different from the others. We have two fives in a date. All right, guys, today you will have another assessment. But before I start talking about what's going to happen in the day, I'd like to say that many of you wrote words of appreciation for your teacher yesterday. I actually didn't notice it until late night when I went back to Class Dojo. Um, I just wanted to say I wrote it on Dojo already, but I just wanted to say that it really means a lot to me. I know you do appreciate me, even if you don't write it. I know that, but reading these words really made my day, and it's really, as I said, it means a lot to me, and it was just wonderful to read something like that. So thank you so much for your lovely comments. Um, anyway, so what is going to happen today? So your first lesson, guys, today is Arabic. So you will have to look into your own timetables. Let me actually open the timetable here. Yeah, so first lesson, Arabic, depending on your individual timetable, and then we will have the assessments. Guys, the assessment is at 10:40, but try to be online 10:35 if you can, so we can start 10:40. The quiz should appear there 10:40, so hopefully well, I will maybe make it appear a little bit earlier than that. I don't know what happened yesterday. I will have to try it out again tonight, to make sure it works and it posts on time. But I will try to get that done for you so we can just have a smooth start. Guys, we turned the microphones on, but there was loads of background noise. So I think it would be for the best if you guys could have headphones with a microphone, like just simple Apple iPhone or Samsung headphones with a microphone would, I think, do a great job for that. So we'll try again. And guys, I need your cameras on as well. Many of you didn't have their cameras on. All right, guys, then the third lesson. Guys, make sure you're on time. It's 1 hour long exam. Then you have a break, and we will be working even during the break time. But anyway, guys, third lesson is PE, so I think Mr. Olaf will want you to be in a meeting with him. So please do make sure that you are there on time in PE, okay? All right, and then maths. In maths, we are going to be working with clock again. This time we are going to be telling time in time intervals. For example, if it's 8:20, what will be the time in 10 minutes? In 10 minutes, it will be 8:30, okay? And so on. And then the last lesson for today is UAE's. We depending on your timetable, but me for my timetable as a teacher, I have UAE Social Studies B with the group of children that have it with me. However, as I said, we have it at different days, so you just complete it whenever it's on your timetable. But please make sure you've done your UAE Social Studies B. In UAE Social Studies B, we are going to talk about the president of the UAE, the establishment of the UAE, and the Supreme Council. You will just have to study about some events, important events in the UAE, and important people, and answer some questions. Easy enough. Guys, again, no submissions today, okay? Because it's an intense assessment week. I just want to make it easy on you, so no submission today. Most probably, yeah, there will be a submission tomorrow, but for today, I'm leaving it submission free for you, okay? All right, so please, I want to see everyone at 10:40, guys. I will be writing down the names of those who are not in this meeting. I need to know where you are. If you cannot make the Teams meeting for the assessment, your parents must contact me and tell me the reason why you can't attend, okay? All right, brilliant. The riddle for yesterday was what travels around the world but stays in one spot. So the answer I was looking for was a stamp. So if you put a stamp on a letter, it will travel around the world, okay, on an envelope, but you know, it will stay in one spot on that envelope at the same time. All right, I've had loads of very interesting answers, and as I said, I'm always happy to see different answers from different children. That means you really gave it a thought, rather than just, asking your parents or just go on to Google, okay? So, right, we had like lots of interesting answers. Yalmas said the roads go around the world but stay in one spot, which is also correct. Sami has said railway tracks. Yeah, they go around the world, but at the same time, they stay in one spot. Celine said the stamp and words written on the letter. Yes, correct. The globe goes around the Maximus. The globe cannot go around itself, so that wouldn't be right, but I really appreciate the thought. The sun, yes, stays in, but at the same time, yes, it sees the whole world. Absolutely, that's safe. Anahita, world map or globe. Um, Globe cannot go around the world. But that's great. Thank you so much. Amina, a stamp. Anya, stamp. Ryan, also stamp and roads. Divine roads. Okay, good. Mohammed, plane goes all around the world, but its screws and nuts stay at one place. We travel around the countries, but our organs always stay inside our body. Okay, that's some deep thinking. Love it. Yes. Zohaib stamp. Haya, it's a road or sunlight because they can move places. Yeah. Kusai, globe and sun. Globe, not so much. Sun, yes. Ayman, stamp. Mariam, sun and moon. Yes, they kind of see the whole world during the day, but they stay in one place. The reason is that actually, that the globe rotates, the planet Earth rotates. Hayden, sun, moon, road. Okay, also Shaheen, sun, moon. Okay, very good, nice. I loved all of these different answers. So your next riddle for today is all right. David's parents have three sons, Snap, Crackle, and what's the name of the third son? Once again, David's parents have three sons, Snap, Crackle, and there should be you need to comment what was the name of the third son. And for the rest of the video, I would just like to tell you some good or nice facts about Jupiter. Just to show you how Jupiter looks, actually, I'm gonna make my picture bigger. Okay, so guys, this is Jupiter. Okay, and what are the interesting facts? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that more than 1,300 Earths would fit inside it. Massive. Thick, colorful clouds of deadly poisonous gases surround Jupiter. The quick spinning of the planet whips up the atmosphere, creating the bands around the planet. If you were to descend into Jupiter, okay, if you were to actually come down on Jupiter, the thin, cold atmosphere becomes thicker and hotter, gradually turning into a thick, dark fog. In the blackness, about 1,000 kilometers down, the pressure squeezes the atmosphere so hard that it becomes like liquid. What a weird atmosphere. At the center of Jupiter is a rocky core, slightly bigger than Earth, but weighing about 20 times more. Surrounding the core is an ocean of liquid hydrogen, about 1,000 kilometers deep. Jupiter has many storms raging on the surface, most notably the Big Red Spot, which is the largest hurricane in our solar system. It's been raging for over 300 years. That's such a long time. Oh my God. Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field. You would weigh 2.5 times as much as you would on Earth. So basically, Jupiter's gravity, the force that pulls us towards the surface, is much stronger. So if you weigh 30 kilos, okay, when you stand on the scales, there you would weigh 60 kilos and more because the force would be pulling you towards the surface of the planet much, much harder. All right, Jupiter has a very, yes, I said that, and Jupiter has many moons circling around it. Four of these moons are bigger than Pluto. So as planet Earth, we have only one moon, but Jupiter has many, and four of them are bigger than planet Pluto. All right, great. That's all from me. You are probably wondering what time we're meeting on Teams after at the end of the day. It will be at 1 o'clock in the last period. Okay, we will meet and just go through the lessons and what happened in the day. All right, see you then.